Elon Musk is increasingly placing Tesla's future on robotics along with artificial intelligence and self-driving cars, believing these will become the main sources of income and profit for Tesla moving forward, especially as the regular electric car business begins to face more difficulties. In reality, Tesla's sales have dropped significantly in key markets due to weak demand and public pushback against CEO Elon Musk's recent political involvement. We've also seen how Musk's interaction with Trump turned into a very public argument, adding more risk to Tesla's leadership situation. Sure, the company may face many hurdles ahead, but it's obvious that the Optimus robot is still getting a lot of interest and excitement from fans. Part of the reason is that people want a robot to help with everyday tasks, while others are interested in how far Tesla is pushing forward with this human-like robot. Lately, Tesla has been giving more regular updates on Optimus' progress, with Elon Musk making even more confident claims about how powerful and capable it will be. But we were honestly surprised to hear that Milan Kovatch, the technical director of the Optimus team, recently decided to leave Tesla after spending over 9 years at the company. Kovatch said this was the hardest choice of his life, explaining that he had been away from his family for too long and needed to be closer to them overseas. To end any doubts or rumors about other reasons, he made it clear that this was his only reason for stepping down and that it had nothing to do with anything else. His support for Elon Musk and the Tesla team remains strong. He also expressed full belief that those continuing at Tesla will push Optimus even further alongside the broader AI and production teams. He made sure to thank Elon for the valuable engineering lessons he learned over the years. After Milan Kovatch shared his goodbye message, Elon Musk responded, "Milan, thank you for your incredible contribution to Tesla over nearly 10 years. It was a pleasure working with you. Enjoy the time with your family." Honestly, we're pretty sad to hear about his departure, though we respect his choice. Thanks to Milan, we got a better view of the progress, testing, and technical wins made by the Tesla team on Optimus. He always explained things clearly and simply whenever there was a new demo video of the robot. His absence is going to be felt by fans and anyone excited about future Optimus updates. Back to the Tesla bot, Optimus is getting more intelligent every day, maybe even every hour. Tesla is still pouring a lot of engineering effort into training and collecting data for Optimus as it gets closer to actual production. One of the robot's standout features is its ability to learn from watching videos. That's the key for Tesla to rapidly push Optimus into new abilities. Up to 100 new tasks daily is not a stretch. Just turn on the TV, play some YouTube clips of cooking, vacuuming, making coffee, or cutting the grass, and boom, Optimus quickly picks up those skills from what it watches. If Optimus can watch video tutorials or guides, just like people do, and figure out how to complete a task from that, then it opens up massive possibilities. You could ask it to grab a mug, pick up clothes, or fold them neatly. These kinds of abilities can quickly expand into even more complicated jobs. To make artificial intelligence truly powerful and useful for people, you need a machine that can think, move, and handle objects. While AI can tell you how to fix something like a broken pipe, you still have to do it. But if the AI is inside a robot that can move and use its hands, it can fix the pipe for you. That's the major leap from just AI to a walking robot that can help. Today, there's a global race, from Asia to the US, to build robots shaped like people. But Tesla's Optimus still seems to grab the spotlight. Why? Because the public is watching it closely, and Tesla has a massive reputation to support it. Sure, not everyone is convinced. Elon Musk's bold predictions have many people wondering if a car company can really build a walking robot. Musk insists that Optimus is being developed in a unique way, not copying what other companies are doing. All the parts and design elements are being built by Tesla, with the aim to make the robot as low cost as possible. He says the reason other efforts fail is because they cost too much to build. Tesla, however, is reusing many parts from its cars, like the motors, batteries, and power systems, which gives it a serious advantage over others starting from zero. Since Musk took over at Tesla, he hasn't followed the same path as others in the auto world. He always aims for unique products that stand out, things you won't see at Ford, Rivian, or Toyota. That same philosophy is now behind Optimus. What makes Tesla's approach to Optimus different is the intense focus on building something practical. While other companies might be focused on flashy robots that can do backflips or show off clever AI, Tesla's team is focused more than 50% on one area: the hands. Musk has repeatedly said that the robot's hands are the hardest part of the project, possibly the biggest challenge they face. He believes a huge part of human intelligence is shown through what our hands can do. Over millions of years, our hands have helped us build, create, and perform complex tasks, even before we developed advanced thinking. That's why Tesla is making the robot's hands a top priority in the design. Elon Musk believes that these hands will be the reason Tesla's robot ends up far ahead of everyone else. He says the robot will be able to do hundreds, or even thousands, of useful things. Without advanced hands, a smart robot is just a brain in a body that can't do anything useful. Tesla Bot is the first robot like this with hands that offer 22 degrees of freedom, just a bit below the human hand's 27. Musk estimates the hand accounts for nearly half the electromechanical work on the robot, and maybe even more of the intelligence side. Whether or not you're a fan of Musk, you can't really deny that he usually delivers. Saying he became the world's richest man by accident or pure luck isn't accurate. Thinking he's throwing money at the robot just because he can is off base. People like him usually see possibilities far beyond what the rest of us can imagine. Still, if Tesla Bot doesn't prove useful, that $20,000 price tag is just for a high-tech walking gadget. But if it really has smart hands and a brain that works better than anything else out there, everything changes. Once the robot's skills start becoming profitable, there's no doubt people will want to buy it. Think about this: you spend $30,000 on a Tesla Bot and never need to hire a cleaner, tutor, or assistant again. Suddenly, that robot becomes a money-saving machine. When Musk talks about the Tesla Bot's true brain, he's talking about a super powerful AI that can sense and react to the world in smarter ways than people. It sounds wild, but imagine this: you don't have to say anything. Just point to the floor and it starts cleaning. Rub your belly and it brings you food. A guest walks in, and it starts preparing snacks. That's what Musk means when he says the robot will have awareness, not just the ability to follow instructions. In a way, Optimus thinks like we do. Tesla's engineers explain that the robot has to experience the world and gather information to get smarter, just like we learn over time. But unlike humans, the robot doesn't need years of schooling. Our minds forget things, but Optimus remembers everything perfectly on the first try. Let's say you're trying a new recipe. You might need to check it a few times and maybe even mess up once or twice. Optimus, on the other hand, learns the whole recipe the first time and does it right every single time after that. That's what gives it so much value. Maybe not this year, but by 2026, it could handle a large variety of tasks. People are asking how useful the robot will really be in Tesla's factories. Sure, things like cleaning or moving boxes might not sound like much, but Elon Musk has explained on X that Tesla's next-generation Cybercab production line is a key area where Optimus will matter. That means Optimus and Cybercab are being designed to work together. Musk has even called them a powerful team, one with legs, one with wheels. Basically, the robot will help build the self-driving Cybercabs, and Musk says Optimus will take over jobs currently done by 2 or 3 people with high accuracy. That could bring down vehicle costs significantly. For now, most of Optimus' work will be inside Tesla's factories, but the long-term plan is to make it helpful at home. That's why in demo videos, we see it pouring water, picking up deliveries, cleaning, and watering plants. Musk believes that if Optimus becomes truly helpful, every person on Earth will want one. It can sort clothes, cook meals, and walk across uneven floors. Of course, it's not perfect yet. Musk admits it's still learning. Like people, it gets better the more it practices. Right now, it still needs more data and training to do more advanced things. Let's be honest, as robots get smarter, some jobs may disappear. We've said this in earlier videos about the future of these robots. Some roles will be replaced, but new ones will also be created. More importantly, Musk has said clearly that Optimus isn't some scary robot from a sci-fi movie. It's being made to be safe and helpful, a friend in your home. You might have seen it wobble a bit and thought it looked clumsy, but that's not a design problem. In fact, its low center of gravity and high-tech sensors are built to keep it balanced in tight or rough places. Musk believes that over time, its movement will become smoother, even reaching walking speeds of 5 miles per hour, much faster than its current 2. There's also a fun side. Musk revealed that Optimus will be able to play games, maybe even beat people thanks to its smart brain and detailed hands. With 22 degrees of freedom in its fingers, it can understand how to play almost anything, from brain games to complex strategy ones. It can watch expert gamers, copy their moves and tactics, and then play with amazing precision. Its greatest trick is its ability to analyze video and surroundings in real time, just like Tesla's self-driving cars read the road and adjust instantly. And then there's the wildest idea, linking Neuralink and Optimus. Musk has hinted that someone who lost the ability to speak could still talk to Optimus using brain signals. Someone missing limbs could get robot arms or legs connected to their mind. This opens a whole new future where people can regain movement or even go beyond natural human ability. Still, this idea brings up big questions, like how to protect brain data, the line between humans and machines, and whether everyone will have access to this tech. We need more research, more debate, and a focus on keeping human values at the center. So we're not there yet. Trust takes time. But what do you think? Tesla has upgraded Optimus incredibly fast, 3 versions in just over 2 years. Optimus Gen 3 is planned for next year, once the current one is ready for mass production. It'll be the best version so far and will likely cost more. If it hits $60,000 but does everything you ask, would you still buy it? Just having it around daily would be amazing. You could tell it a story and see how it reacts. What if it reminded you to take medicine, or helped older people use technology, or taught kids with games and activities? Humanoid robots might become the biggest product ever. Demand could go through the roof. When the world's richest man bets big on Tesla bot and says they could sell millions a year at $20,000, he's clearly thinking about massive profit. Musk even says it could make Tesla worth $25 trillion. That's over 8 times more than Apple's current value. The world is changing fast, and AI is speeding that up. Tesla, once only seen as an electric car company, is turning into a real tech giant with AI at its core. Just like they grew EVs from a niche into a global business, Tesla plans to do the same with robots, and even faster this time. So if the Tesla bot turns out to be as useful as promised, would you want one?